Hello, my huge subscriber fan base of 2. I got 2 subscribers, which is pretty cool. Shout out to you too. But today I'm gonna go to the Honda shop and look at some cool bikes, cause yeah, I can. A little off-roading on a cruiser. Oh god. Ugh. Oh god, glass. I don't want to run over that. Oh yeah, off-roading cruiser. First person ever to do that. Probably not, but anyways. Looks like they got some stuff over there. He's bringing in his inventory or something? Who knows? No, I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna take my helmet off and I'll probably just video some bikes, because I'd rather not wear my helmet inside and look like a complete idiot. So that was pretty cool. There was a couple cool bikes in the used showroom, which was upstairs. There's the 600, and there's this weird like CB 1000 thing that was upstairs. I don't remember what it was. And then there's the ZX14R, which I've never even heard of, but that thing was badass. And then downstairs there was a Honda CB 1100 AG or something. Never heard of it before. First time ever seeing it. It was the coolest thing ever. And I went and talked to one of the guys who was working in the store. He says it's 1 of 5 in Canada. And it was such a cool looking bike. I'll probably find a picture of it and put it on the screen somewhere, because I didn't get any pictures of it because they were all looking at me. I wish I did. Oh yeah, we're going all the way around. Oh yeah, look at this. I don't know why, this is like the funnest thing I've done. I've always wanted to do that, but the people are looking at me so weird behind me. Like, what is he doing? Look at that view. So I think that's gonna conclude today's video. But I want a picture first. Let me get a picture and then I'll skedaddle out of here before anybody gets mad at me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get that pictures going. Oh yeah, look at those pictures. Well, yeah, that's gonna conclude today's video, so hopefully see you next time, and thank you again to those 2 subscribers that actually subscribed to me. You're the real MVPs here. But thanks for watching.